Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to share this for a while. I've been waiting on these bangles to come in. So I now have bangles. You can make your own bracelets. So I'm going to show you how to make these Halloween themed ones. So if you're interested, I have the Halloween charms in store. I am also putting in some new jump rings. And then I also have these split rings if you're interested in using that. But I'm not going to use them, but I do have them if you want to have that extra security to your, bangles. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I already have actually split the amount of charms that I have, except for, so I don't have the witch's hat. I only have them in these packages, and I only have 10 packages left. So I need to get more, but I don't want to take it out because I want it to go to somebody else who wants to purchase it. But everything else is right here. So I'm going to actually use 2 bangles. And let's see, divide them amongst the 2. You don't have to do that. You can put them all in one. You can, get multiple bangles and actually put like 2 in each. 2, and then 2, so it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4 bangles, and it'll be real cute together, because the more the better, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm just using 2 sets of flat nose pliers. So make sure they're facing the same direction too, because this one is actually backwards. This is the right way. So to put them on, you just have to stretch this here to get them through your hand. and then just close them back up. So, and then do the same thing to the other one.